Hey everybody, this is Keith coming to you from the service lane here at Passport Mini in Alexandria, and today I'm going to show you how to install an accessory lock knob on your 2014 and newer Mini Cooper. The first step is we're going to have to remove the old lock knob, and I found the easiest way to do that is to use some masking tape, and we're going to wrap it around the old lock knob so we can get a good grip on it. Now you'll just take this and turn it loose. If they're on there real tight, you may have to grab a pair of pliers. Just give it a little twist and pull. And now the old one's been removed. Today we'll be installing the Union Jack, but they are available in 4 other models to match your specific Mini style and character. See the way it's angled? You want to make sure that the angle is down to match the angle of your door panel. Just press it on, and there you go.